Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Boeing to restart the C-17 production line. The C-17 Globemaster III, a beloved workhorse of military transport, may see a second life. At the World Defense Show in Saudi Arabia, Boeing's Vice President John Rosgren revealed renewed interest from existing operators in purchasing more C-17s if production resumes. Next, Aerostructures for T-7A Red Hawk training jet from Indian companies. Indian defense companies are taking flight with Boeing's T-7A Red Hawk program, securing key contracts for the development of this advanced pilot training system. This signifies a significant boost for India's Make in India initiative and strengthens its position as a global player in the aerospace industry. Next, India's Stage 2 pilot training program, a report. The Indian Air Force faces a crucial decision regarding its Stage 2 pilot training program, with the aging Kiran Mk2 jet trainers nearly retirement in 2025. The indigenous HJT-36 Sitara, envisioned as the successor, remains mired in technical delays, pushing the IAF to consider foreign alternatives. Next, Indian Navy takes over Tapas male UAV prototypes for marine evaluation. The Indian Navy has thrown a lifeline to the Tapas male medium altitude long endurance UAV program by taking control of 2 prototypes to performance evaluation. This comes after the Indian Army and Air Force walked away due to technical shortcomings, primarily the UAV's inability to reach a 30,000 feet altitude and operate for 24 hours continuously. Undeterred, the Navy plans to put the Tapas through its paces in maritime operations, particularly in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Next, INSAT 3DS satellite set to launch on February 17, that is day after. Mark your calendars, weather enthusiasts. On February 17, the India Space Agency, ISRO, will launch the highly anticipated INSAT 3DS satellite, marking a significant advancement in the country's weather forecasting capability. This 2,274 kg powerhouse, funded by the Ministry of Earth Science, is a continuation of the third generation meteorological satellite series positioned in the geostationary orbit for optimal observation. Next, Indian Navy to embrace Kurta Pyjama in mess halls. In a significant move symbolizing national pride and cultural embrace, the Indian Navy has officially permitted officers and sailors to wear Kurta Pyjama in formal settings within mess halls and institutes. This decision aligns with the government's broader Indianization initiative, aiming to infuse traditional elements into military customs and practice. The new dress code outlines specific guidelines for the Kurta Pajama attire. Kurta must be plain colored, knee length, and featured cuffed sleeves and buttons or cufflinks. Pajama should be slim fitting and matched to contrast with the kurta. Additionally, waistcoat or jacket are offered as optional accessories. Next, Pact signed by India UAV for Europe Economic Corridor. Coinciding with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the Gulf region, India and the UAE have inked a pact for quickly operationalizing the ambitious India, Middle East, Europe Economic Corridor, despite the repeated Houthi strikes on vessels in the Red Sea prompted by the Israel-Hamas war. The issue of IMEC announced during the G20 summit in New Delhi last September came up for discussions during Modi's talks with UAE President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan on Tuesday. Next. Anti-drone system developed by IIT Jammu. Dr. Kiran Nathwani, a professor in the electric engineering it's Dr. Karan Nathwani, a professor in the Electric Engineering Department of IIT Jammu, has constructed an anti-drone system that works mainly on sound technology. Thank you.